Hi everyone, and welcome back for another video to the Australian Canary channel. So, just an update. So as we are approaching the breeding season, I did get a little excited. So I decided to build a second bird room. So the two types of birds that I will be breeding this season will be obviously the Gloucesters and the crested and crestbred. So I'll be sticking with those two types. Now, we're in July at the moment, pushing towards late July. I like to have my birds, this is what I call the preparation time, where I like to bond my pairs, bond them together. Now, when I say bonding, the way I do it, I put a wide divider through the middle, and you got a cock on one side and you got the hen on the other. Now, when the hen is in condition for breeding, I will introduce a nest with some nesting materials, and we go from there. Other breeders like to do it differently than the way I do it. Some people like to pair the birds all year round. Some will just keep the hen on their own and introduce the cock bird in the last minute. So we all got our own ways of doing things. So what's also very important, so just to give you a little bit of a talk through what I do for my preparation, I first medicate my birds. So I treat my birds, the whole room, I give them a treatment of Coxy into their water. So once I've done that, then I'll spray the birds, the cage, all the accessories with the mite spray. So I treat them all for mite. When that's done, then I focus on their protein. So most of you will like to use hard-boiled eggs or your egg and biscuit mix. I've got two things. One, I've got the egg and biscuit mix that I mix with the soft food. And second, I've created this protein powder that I give my birds. So in a future episode, we can go through that protein powder, but those are the two things that I use. So I make sure my birds get their regular baths through the week. The weather's starting to pick up, starting to get a little bit warmer, but I was giving the birds at least a bird bath once a week. So as the weather starts to get warmer, then I'll increase the bird bathing. So that's it, guys. I'll just do a little video, and I'll just show you my birds, and I'll see you at the next episode. Have a good day.